The ability to rapidly create and analyze concept designs is one of the best features of the Apex software. Let's take a look at an idealized LED lamp model using a parabolic reflector with a masked reflective cover. We can quickly create the parabolic reflector in Apex and include it in an assembly file. For the reflective mask, we can revolve a simple spline into a surface, thicken the surface into a solid body, and then extrude an array of spline curves through the body to create a mask. And we can combine the parabolic reflector and mask in our assembly file. Now, using the Apex Light Source Manager, we can quickly insert and position an LED into the model. We can assign total power, wavelength, and number of rays before creating the LED source, and note the level of detail included in the LED geometry. Since we want reflective surfaces, we can use the Apex Coatings Manager to quickly assign an ideal reflective coating to each part in our design. Having created our geometry in Source, we're now ready to ray trace the design and can use the Trace tab to check trace settings and then trace rays. With the visualization tools available in Apex, we can directly observe the ray paths taken inside our assembly. Note the double and triple passes many rays make through the design before exiting the reflector. Now, prior to the ray trace, we added a detector a few hundred millimeters in front of the mask. We can now quickly analyze the irradiance at the detector surface, again using the optical design tabs available in Apex. From the spots diagram, we can see the basic mask pattern at the detector, as well as a magnified pattern coming from rays making a second pass through the reflector system before exiting the mask. And while the secondary pattern is difficult to see in a 2D irradiance map, it stands out more clearly in a 3D contour plot. We can also average the irradiance data to smooth out the effects of noise and again see the distinction in the primary and secondary irradiance patterns. Apex is a tremendous software tool for quickly assessing the performance of concept designs, as we see in this example. Contact us today to learn more.